I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to update your personal information on Vanguard, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal details. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings, look for the personal information tab. Click on it to view your current details. Step 4. Update your details. Edit the fields you need to change, such as your address, phone number, or email. Ensure all information is accurate. Note, if you change your email, check your inbox for a verification link to confirm the update. Step 5. Review and confirm changes. After making your updates, review everything to ensure it is correct. Click the confirm button to save your changes. Updating your personal information on Vanguard is straightforward if you follow these steps. If you run into any issues, the customer support is just a call away. Happy investing!